Level up your trading with Market Analysis Lab. Ever feel like market charts are a jumbled mess? Wish there was an easier way to understand what's happening? Focus on the trader using Analysis Lab. 1. Technical analysis. Drag and drop indicators onto charts to see trends and potential entry/exit points. 2. Trading signal. Get inspired by analyst recommendations based on technical analysis. 3. Market overview. Analyze real-time data with advanced tools, identify trends with expert analysis, and anticipate market shifts with the integrated economic calendar. Make informed trades with the power of deep market insights. 4. Market movers. Check real-time quotes and news feeds to stay on top of market movements. 5. Economic calendar. See upcoming economic events that might impact specific markets. 6. Trading news. Get insights alongside the news, helping you understand how specific events might affect different asset classes. Introducing IFC Markets Analysis Lab, your all-in-one app for mastering the markets. Analysis Lab makes trading easier with 1. Easy-to-use tools. Analyze charts, see trends, and discover potential opportunities with clear indicators and charting features. 2. All your market info on the go. Stay informed with real-time data, news, and economic calendars, all in one convenient app. 3. Expert insights. Get valuable suggestions from analyst recommendations based on technical analysis. 4. Strategic planning tools. Plan ahead with the built-in economic calendar to understand how upcoming events might influence specific markets. Ready to level up your trading? Sign up for a free IFC Markets account and explore Analysis Lab today. Postscriptum. New to trading? Start with a free IFC Markets demo account to practice using Analysis Lab in a risk-free environment. We also offer a comprehensive educational academy with resources to help you build your trading knowledge.